Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video from the corner of my heart. In this video we are going to talk about how to be motivated to learn English language. Because to learn anything in our life we should have a motivation to push ourselves towards our work. Okay, so to learn anything in your life, whether it is English or whatever, we should have we must have even we must have a desire, we must have ambition, we must have passion, we must have tenacity, we must have audacity, we must have aptitude, we must have attitude to learn something, to achieve something. Okay, but they don't come very often. From where they come? You know what? They come when you are disappressed, they come when you are disappointed, they come when you are disheartened, they come when someone criticized you, they come when you are sad, they come when you are in tragedies. So just know the time when you are feeling, when you are experiencing these types of like circumstances. You are sometimes you are very sad, sometimes you are very disappointed. So just at that time now you should start working upon yourself. It means that if someone criticizing you, it means that you have any I mean you have a fault. Okay, you are doing something wrong. So it means you need to improve yourself, you need to learn something, you need to just improve yourself, you need to mend yourself. Okay, so just work upon yourself. Do not live in this mediocrity. In mostly rural areas, like very there are many people are living in this mediocrity. They are I mean showing us they are showing us the path which is very simple, like uh, you have to learn any type of skill and whatever you want to learn, any type of course, and whatever you do that, earn money, get married, and just live this life. Do not survive in this life, live this life. Okay, do not survive even. This life is not only for the people who are rich, who are wealthy. This life is also for us. We just think about for a while, like, yeah, I will do this, I will do that, but we do not take action. We do not take action. This video I'm making only for those people who just every time they say only, they just commit, like, yeah, I will do it, I will do that, I will achieve that, I will buy this car, I will buy this bike. They just talk with each other, they don't do anything. So we need to have a passion, we need to have something desire, something, any purpose to do something big in your life, in our life. Okay, so as I think, we are not meant to be live in this mediocrity. We are meant to live in a very high top level, in a top level, like, uh, we should live this life as a life. We are living just like, I don't have words to say how we are living in this life. we do not we should not live in this way, as we are living. Okay, so as I think, we should work upon ourselves so that we could improve ourselves, we could get awareness, so that about the things, how the world is going on, how the things are going on. We do not have knowledge about even. Okay, this video I'm making so that the people who just commit only, uh, who just talk about each other, that I will do this, I will do that, when they will watch this video now, they will shock, because I never spoke English language in front of them in my village. Okay, and if sometimes I used to speak, so they used to make me fun. Yeah, so that is why I'm making in English language, I'm making this video in English language, uh, without speaking Hindi language. Whether they can understand or not, I don't doesn't matter. Okay, that doesn't matter, they are able to understand or not. When they will see, they will realize it, that yeah, the person is speaking English language, the person has learned English language. It means that we also can learn. Okay, they will feel jealous, let them. They will feel, I mean, something disheartened, they will feel bad, like this person, why this person has learned English language, why we are not able to learn. They will feel, now let them. When they will feel, then they will try to do something. If they will not try, so it means that they don't have anything, they don't have nothing to, you know, improve, to just uh, fly high in the sky. Okay, so I think it is enough for today. Just improve yourself, justify yourself, mend yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this video.